Make it steam, pour the broth, let it gleam. Slice the veggies, sharp and neat. Bake the bread, a tasty treat. Grill the meat with smoky fire. Fry it crisp, just as desired. Peel the fruit, smooth and thin. Simmer slow, let flavor spin. Mix it all with care and grace. A feast prepared, a warm embrace.